A school bus company in Canada has banned children from reading books on the bus on the way to or from school. No, this is not an article from The Onion, the fake satirical news website. This is an article from Yahoo News out of Canada. Quebec schoolgirl told to stop reading book by school bus driver. This poor 8-year-old girl was told that she's no longer allowed to read books, or anyone allowed to read books on the bus, because the books pose a risk to safety of other students. What kind of a risk? Well, I guess they could be educated. They could learn their rights. They could learn about the criminal elements within the government forging a new world order. But this school bus company says that she might poke herself in the eye with the corner of the book. Students might stand up to see what she's reading, and that poses a danger to them. Oh, they're going to stand up. Hey, what's that, a book? Oh, what are you doing? Call the police. We've got a reader over here. She's reading a book. Absolutely incredible. After word started spreading about this bizarre story, the book ban has been defended by the school bus company. Interestingly, ironically, it's World Book Day today, but you wouldn't know that by any major mainstream media, at least as of yet. They have yet to report on it. And, of course, Google hasn't drawn up their Google graphic, as they usually do for just about any obscure holiday, because, well, they don't want you reading books. They want you to wire the internet into your brain in a neural interface, something that I wrote about 10 years ago in my book, The Resistance Manifesto. Pick it up in paperback from Amazon.com, or I guess if you're into Orwellian ebooks for the convenience, you could download it there. Or my latest book, Inside the Illuminati, Evidence, Objectives, and Methods of Operation. Just make sure that your kids don't read it on a school bus, otherwise they might get banned from going to school because the book is dangerous. Oh, that's right. I mean, don't worry about the BB guns poking your eyes out. You need to be worrying about the books. These dangerous terrorist materials need to be banned from the school buses immediately.